station. I mean, during this week, we've met so many new people during this week. And I want to tell you about Marjorie Louise Wilson. She was born February the 9th, 1950, in Lackawanna, New York, which is a suburb of Buffalo. She has gorgeous smoky blue eyes.
Oh, please.
And a real neat brunette, dark hair. It's very fetching. It's about as black as Capn Squint's hair. And she's the nice ripe age of 26. She's 5'8", 130 lovely pounds, and she's of Yugoslavian descent. Doesn't look that way, but she is. Margie is going to speak a little about herself.
Hi, everyone.
Wow, you really get started, and it's hard to shut your mouth. Tell you about my second wife, Evelyn here. Spartan way to go.
Well, my name is Margie Wilson. Like you said, I'm from Buffalo. Well, I had kind of a weird life. Like, these other people before me, they mentioned how much they like to travel and everything. And, excuse me, when I was, growing up, I was born in 1950. When I was growing up, my dad joined the Army. Now, which is a strange thing for a growing kid to undertake, because we had to move to Germany twice. We had to move to Alaska and Korea and a little stint in Panama. And
Army brat. Yeah.
Exactly. There you go.
I get it.
Anyway, we went from there, and I moved to Kansas. This Reuben Hopper, was it?
Hopper, yeah.
You're from Goose. I'm from Lebanon, Kansas. I don't know if you know where that is. That's up near the Nebraska border, not too far.
Yeah, I do.
That's where I graduated from high school. I don't believe this.
Kidding.
Yeah, I did. Well, anyway, I graduated in 1968, and I moved to Seattle. I went to the University of Washington and graduated from there in 1972. And, well, I lived up there for a while, for about a year. But I was working at Boeing, and things weren't going too well for the airplane industry, so I came on down here with a friend of mine named Barbara Orphis. I can't even pronounce that weird woman's name.
Yeah.
Barbara Orphis. And,
Orphan.
Yeah, Orphis. She's one of those people, that has, like, Gidget's disease, those people that belongs in a hospital for the terminally cute. And
Yeah.
we came down, we're on our way to San Francisco. Well, we stopped here in Stagwell. I got me a job at the Blow-O Bubble Gum Factory.
You blow all, yeah.
I worked as a receptionist, believe it or not, for tour groups and stuff, and field trips for kids and stuff. Then I worked at the Fall Right Parachute Company.
Yo, that name cracks me up.
Isn't that's ridiculous? Fall Right, I hope.
I sit up, y'all.
And anyway, I worked there, and then after that I got a job at this KSAW station in the typing pool, which I'm still doing. And, I live a very
I'd love to walk by the typing pool. Good looking people in there.
Oh, well, hey, what can I say? No, but anyway, we're in the, typing pool, and we don't make that much money.
You're pretty.
Well, thanks. You're not so bad.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm planning to get into the more interesting aspect of the station. I would like to become a disc jockey. As a matter of fact, I would like to be like Miss America, but like I'm too old, okay? But
Hey, you forgot to mention you play a main guitar. I heard you tuning up in there. You're playing a few hot licks there.
I was just fooling around,
Sounded pretty good to me.
Well, thanks. Do you play guitar?
Yeah, she's cool.
I wish I could. I'm a hell of a dancer, but I can't sing very good. And I play a little bit, a little stuff.
I think we're going to be pretty good friends,
It's fine by me. I'm ready for
I'm
that.
stuck way back here. Oh, I'm supposed to introduce someone. Excuse me. I'm like, okay.
Hey, you know what? She's going to do some expeditions with us later on.
That's
I got
true.
the word. I got the secret word for Bear Strange.
I told him I like to travel, and
She's going to help me with the photography.
yeah, I mean, I meant to, when I was up in the University of Washington, I majored in photography and anthropology, and I told Al Strange that, and now he's got us getting off. We're going to be going off to an expedition pretty soon. I
Yeah,
couldn't believe it.
I'm ready.
Well, I have to introduce this, Cuthbert Dudley, is it?
That's me.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Here you are.
I'm the fat one.
Well,
But let's don't talk about it.
you write it up. Okay, his name is Cuthbert Claude Dudley.
And that's C-L-A-U-D, not C-L-O-D.
Do tell. He was born January 17th, 1954. around that communistic threat period, McCarthyism. He was born right here in the deepest, darkest Stag Bluff, California. He has gray eyes and kind of a light brown hair, and it's what kind of hat is that?
It's a little sailor hat.
Oh. You never did any sail?
No, I just like the hat.
You're 22,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Ex-Navy fella. At least in sport.
This man is like 22 years old. He's 5'5". He's 242 pounds. And skipping right along, his nationality is Polish. I thought it said Paul.
I mean, they're supposed to be smart in business. And now I have to talk about myself.
Good luck, dude.
Well, I'm really very fond of cooking, and at last I've come into a chance now they're trying to get me started on a cooking show, and we've done some rehearsals, but nothing is, really set yet. But I plan to have a late night cooking show for insomniacs, and also they're putting me on in the afternoon as Cuthbert the clown, because I have a way with children, But previous to that good luck, I was born here in Stag Bluff, and I went to high school here too, but I didn't go to college, and my parents were heartbroken, but I just didn't want to go. I was tired of school, so I started working at that Fall Right Parachute Company for a
Hey,
while.
I've seen you.
Yeah?
I worked there in 1975, and I've seen you there.
You could hardly miss me.
I was wondering, I've seen you somewhere before. You were at that Fall Right Parachute Company.
Yeah, I worked
You were
there.
actually making the parachute. Now, I didn't do that. I was a receptionist in the typing pool there, too, but, yeah, oh, wow, this is totally amazing.
You probably heard them telling all those jokes about that if I jumped out with the parachute, it couldn't possibly hold me up, It would break the strings,
Or that
all
you bought your clothes
all
there.
the fat jokes,
But, actually, though, we didn't get to see each other too much, but, I've known you. I noticed you. Oh, I remember when you were at the candy machine. I remember because you were there a while. That's neat.
Yeah. Well, I like to try to make something.
So what happened with your life?
Oh, well, it's still going on. I didn't die. It's still happening.
Yeah, I'm really glad you're tired. Are we speaking to your ghost?
Yeah. Oh, boy. Well, now I have to introduce, let me see. Oh, Cyril. Let me find the card, biography. I want to bring to your attention
Cyril Van Yates.
Cyril Van Yates. It's not like Van Yates. Van is his middle name. And that reminds me, what you said, Quentin J. Dangerfield. What was the J for?
Yeah, I told you that before one time you asked me that at the station. It ain't the letter J, it's J-A-Y.
Is it naked as a jaybird?
That's right.
Yeah, naked as a jaybird.
Buck naked. Okay. Now, Cyril was born November the 29th, 1951, in Billings, Montana. And he has hazel eyes and hazel hair. Wait, what do you mean hazel hair? That's what you put down in your biography. Oh, I must have made a mistake. My hair is light brown, as you can see.
Hazel has green in it.
That's right. I don't have green hair.
Yeah, the boy with green hair. Did you ever see that movie?
I wanted to, but I never did. Hazel, well, it could have a little gold in it, but my hair doesn't. That's a mistake. Well, it's your own mistake. And so